The Nearpod Add Activities option provides flexibility to adjust your teaching on the fly during a live synchronous lesson. To demonstrate this, you will see the student view on the right and the teacher view on the left. Teachers have the ability to adjust the learning to meet the students where they are in that moment. During a live lesson, select Add Activity in the top right corner. You can add web content, open-ended questions, draws, slides, or true-false questions. To add web content, simply paste the URL to any site you wish to explore and share directly to student devices. To add open-ended questions, you can dig deeper on a topic, ask opinions, or check for understanding. Notice how the question is sent to student devices and that they can respond just as they would if it was in a prepared lesson. Share a Nearpod Draw activity to provide extra practice on the concept and reinforce the skills until you see complete mastery of what you're teaching. The slide option is an interactive whiteboard where you can draw live for your student demonstrations and share back to student devices. And the Nearpod True-False questions can be used for a quick, formative assessment to hold students accountable. So next time you're teaching a lesson and need to shift gears in a direction that you did not expect, try the Nearpod Add Activity feature with your students.